What is cracking, everybody? Hey everyone, it's Kiana and welcome back to my channel. So finals week is a very stressful time for us college students. I really wanted to make a video to help you guys with like some of my tips, my tricks. They're not really tricks, they're pretty straightforward. Basically just share my study routine for 2019 and help you guys power through finals week. I just want to preface this video by saying that I am not a perfect studier. Like, I'm still someone who likes to cram because we're all human. This video is actually in collaboration with Sajoya and Open Road Snacks, which I'm super stoked about because I'm obsessed with snacking, especially during studying. Most of you guys probably know how obsessed I am with snacking. I literally just can't stop eating sometimes. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to check out Sajoya and Open Road Snacks. I will have all the information down below, and also I'll be telling you guys where to find those in stores as well. I'll be showing you guys how I survived finals week. Let's get started. So for the first part of this video, I want to share with you guys my study routine. Now, I do not have like a specific regimen that I follow every single time I have an exam. I'll tell you guys just a few of the classes that I'm taking right now. Right now I'm taking Operations and Supply Chain Management. Super exciting. Is it really? But so far I've been doing pretty well. My second class is Marketing Research, which is kind of a difficult class. That is also another class that I'm taking for my major. And the third class I'm taking is my favorite, and it is Consumer Behavior. And I'm only taking 4 classes, so the last one is my Business Ethics class. So yeah, those are the classes I'm working with this semester. The first step in my study routine is to wake up early and also make myself a cup of coffee. Just a nice cup of joe before I study is just like the perfect way to like focus, and it just gets me more motivated because I'm literally dead without coffee. I don't mean wake up at like 6 a.m. to study, because we all know I can't do that. I mean like waking up at a decent time. Second step in my study routine is to find my perfect study space. Now, I believe in studying in my apartment because I'm just not one who likes libraries. They kind of have like an old library smell that I just don't like. Make sure that you have like a nice natural light source. You want to find a place that's near a window because it's going to wake up your senses a little bit. Some nice natural light really puts me in a better mood. Just like working in my room because I have a lot of natural light. I have my desk right next to the window, which is my favorite, and it's just like a nice little study nook. Third step in my study routine is just to play some tunes. Honestly, some classes or just subjects in general that I can't study for when I'm listening to music, because I'm the type of person who likes to sing and just dance, and I literally get distracted if I have like lyrical music. Just playing some chill lo-fi beats really just sets the mood. Having things without lyrics really helps me focus. Now that we got ourselves situated, it's time to move on to the more important steps to my study routine. Creating a list of topics that I need to study for each class. I need to start studying for my BA 360 class, which is my Operations and Supply Chain Management class. For the final, it's cumulative, so I'm gonna have a lot of things to review. But just for the sake of this video and showing you guys, like, I just made a little list of topics that I need to study for like the first exam. I basically like to put it in order from like most important to least important, and also you want to look at the teacher's study guide. Just having everything on paper, I really like lists. I'm a big visual person, so I don't like having my list only on my phone. I like having a non-digital version too, because just writing it out and just having it on a nice clean sheet of paper is just very helpful for me to remember things. When I'm studying for finals, I like to put all of my priorities, like my actual assignments that are due, and I like to write out the dates of when they're due, all in order. And even if your teacher gives you a list of topics for the test, definitely write them, like handwrite them yourself, so that you're familiar with all the topics that you need to go over. And it's nice having everything in my own handwriting and just organizing everything myself. So if you know the topics on the exam, definitely write all those out. Ones that you need to study the most, keep them at the top of the list, and then the ones that you don't care about as much, those can be at the bottom. So one of the most important steps in my study routine is going to be just having some snacks, healthy snacks, to reach for when I'm studying. Any kind of food, any kind of snacks is what's going to keep you sane during this stressful time. If my stomach is grumbling, then I usually can't focus. So I'm actually going to show you guys some of the healthy snacks that I've been reaching for while I've been studying. They're perfect because they keep me satisfied and they're actually super yummy. They really just keep me focused and therefore I get more work done. They're just amazing and I'm so thankful that they sent me this huge box of study snacks. Like, look at this. This is humongous. There's so much in here and I want to show you guys some of my favorites. So the first type of snack that I've been loving for studying have been the Sajoya Cocoa Thins, which are crunchy. A little sweet snack. And then we also have the Sajoya Cocoa Runes, which are like more of a chewy cookie bite. And the great thing about these is they come in so many delicious flavors. So we have the brownie flavor, we have vanilla maple, and we have lemon pie. I like these because they satisfy my sweet tooth. I love how they're gluten-free, grain-free, non-GMO, and they're vegan, so very universal. And you can never go wrong with some flavored popcorn. That is where Open Road Snacks comes in, and this is the classic butter, which is my favorite one. There's also white cheddar, jalapeno cheddar, and we got some caramel crunch. Open Road Snacks popcorn, they actually come in like a bunch of different sizes, so you can get a smaller size if you want to just take it to the library. It's just perfect and portable. And the fact that these are healthy and good for your body, like we want them to be good for you. Yes, I've been loving these. I love savory snacks. I've actually eaten like 4 bags of this already. Okay, so now that I've shared my typical study routine, I wanted to also share with you guys some of my other random tips that I've found to be helpful for me these past 3 years in college. I'm the type of person who goes to every single class because I just feel like I'm in trouble if I don't go. You just don't realize how much you miss when you're actually in class. I get distracted pretty easily, so maybe I'll like text my friend back and then I missed a whole problem. I actually watched some recorded lectures and it improved my test score drastically. Like, I was surprised. I got an A. Definitely take advantage if your teacher does record their lectures. Another big tip of mine would be just to find online tutorials. Like for my BA 360 class, there's so many computation problems and I just didn't know how to do some of them, so just finding tutorials on YouTube, super clutch. Videos are obviously amazing. As you know, you're watching a video. I love watching videos and tutorials and just finding them because they're so much more helpful than just reading my notes. And my last tip is Chegg is your friend. If you're really looking for that extra help and you don't want to go pay for a tutor, then you should definitely check out Chegg. But yeah, spend that extra $1 to get Chegg if you really want some more like online tutoring or just homework help. It's been super helpful for me. Also, if you don't want to pay for it, you can probably mooch off of your friends. Chegg has helped me on countless homework assignments, especially for accounting, because that was hard. So now for the super exciting part of this video, I actually teamed up with Sajoya and Open Road Snacks to host a fun giveaway of the final survival kit that includes all of the perfect snacking essentials for finals week, things that are just gonna help you stay fueled and ready to rumble. You will be receiving a huge box of all of the popcorn I showed, all of the coconut treats, and a bunch of other helpful things like notebooks, eye masks to stay rejuvenated. I'm literally obsessed with everything and I'm so glad one of you guys is gonna win one of these because you're gonna literally love it. Hopefully it will help you and your friends during finals week. Yeah, so now moving on to the giveaway rules. So for this giveaway, first part is just go follow my Instagram. My Instagram is Kiana Skirla. I'll have it written down here. I want you to leave a comment on one of my Instagram photos. It could be any picture, just like something recent, I guess. Just comment a bunch of hearts. Also, number 3, like this video and also leave a comment down below. It can be any comment. Super excited for you guys to win one of these. So yes, those are all the giveaway rules. Super simple. Also, I forgot to mention that the giveaway winner will be announced on my Instagram story in about a week, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And I'll also have the finalized deadline in the description box below. That basically wraps up the whole video. I know I didn't go super in-depth with my study routine. Like, I honestly think it's kind of hard to show my study routine because it differs all the time, but those are just some of the tips that I find help me when I'm studying. I hope finals week goes smoothly for all of you. I have a lot to work on, a lot to do, and then it's almost summer, so hope you guys have a great week, and I love all of you.